Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and go straight to Screen Time. You want to enable it and set a dedicated Screen Time passcode. Do this now so restrictions persist even if someone knows your phone code. Once done, toggle content and privacy restrictions on and make sure the passcode is stored somewhere safe, but not on the device. You need that protection in place before hiding apps because the passcode prevents easy undoing and ensures the changes apply to accounts and family sharing. Next, tap Content Restrictions and choose apps to apply an age-based filter. Selecting 12 plus or 9 plus immediately hides third-party apps rated above that level. This is how Screen Time hides apps without deleting them. Also visit Allowed Apps to toggle core system apps off if you need them gone from home screens. Make sure to test with an app you expect to hide. If it remains visible, adjust the age threshold or disable that app in Allowed Apps until it disappears from view. Finish by confirming the targeted apps no longer appear on the home screen. Remember, some may still exist in the app library unless you remove them from there. If you need to restore access, open Screen Time, enter the passcode, and relax the age limit or re-enable the app. If an app stubbornly shows, restart the phone and recheck content restrictions. Sometimes settings take a reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: verify you used a different Screen Time passcode than your device lock to avoid accidental resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.